I get no clout off of me. I was using you as an example how you are doing well in England. And people there in England, they say they're not going on for them. I was just using you as example. Be careful of your mouth, Queenie. And listen carefully. Queenie, even somebody in the background, they tell you something, no call your name and you they act like that. You're a big disgrace. Me nah go nowhere with Uno, sir. You are not in a me league. You're a big woman, me are 68. You are 53. Keep calm, Queenie, and listen to the video again. Once and for all. Be careful or you disrespect me, because I don't know you. I never do nothing for you. Queenie gangster. Please listen to the video good. Queenie, you see how me I beg you and everybody knows that my mouth not nice now. I'm a terrible no blood clot. You hear? Me no see blue cloud like I want to see black cloud. Be careful of your mouth. Again, once and for all. It's not. The video is not for you. I warn you. I want somebody to send this video to you. It's if it blood clot, be careful of your mouth and how you talk. Because you must feel say you are one queen in the world. That's our. Nothing I'm going for you now. You look clout to pull out me. Eh? Girl, go on here, man. Big woman, go on before me deal with your nice to blood clot. Because me not see you, me not know you, girl. Me not work for people like a Uno. You have too much PROBLEM. Keep moving. Keep it moving. You hear me? That's what you do. Youngster, listen to the video now, man. Queenie, man. Don't do me that, Queenie. Queenie, don't do me that. Queenie gangster. No do me that. Woman power, Queenie gangster. Do not do me that. Queenie, me no call your name, Queenie, man. God almighty, Queenie, man. I'm making you go on to man and you're a big woman, man. Go get me a pack of cigarette there, man. Because this is around this road. Queenie, please. Do. I don't know you. I didn't call your name, Queenie. Please. Do, Queenie. Listen to me teach and preach. We live in London, Ontario, Canada. Queenie. I know you alone named Queenie, darling. Lady gangster, the video is not for you. You just love cry too much. Justin Bieber have one song to cry me a river. Top blood clot cry out the river. You hear me? And stand up on your foot as a black queen. You hear me, woman? You hear me? You hear me? Alright, me love you hear that, Queenie. Me love you hear that, rapper crapper. Bless up on yourself. Papa, up in England, bless up your nice, clean self, my brother. Queenie gangster. Oh, you can't make people turn you in an idiot, so girl. Listen to the blood clot video good now. Are you alone named Queenie? Jesus Christ almighty God. If you see you the ball pan TikTok now, you make me blood clot start ball too. Queenie! Tap take your son stunt blood clot idiot no girl. You hear me call your name Queenie gangster? Are you alone named Queenie? Tell me the truth. If you're not blood clot idiot. Rapper crapper. Me number. London, Canada, 519-494-1684. That video was not for Lady Gangster, Miss Queenie. That video is not for her. So Queenie no ball a blood clot and take yourself to no blood clot idiot. Are you alone here, Queenie? Eh? Queenie, hold yourself and stop make yourself be a blood clot magic idiot. Na blood clot the world. You're coming like a some big old idiot. They call, cry. You know me? Me know you? Eh? Fucking Queenie, me know you. You know me? No go so a fake blood clot that. You make people the blood clot pull out you too much. You don't have no sense, my girl. You're a big woman, but you don't have no sense. Stop that. And stop it for once and for all. The video is not for you. Me love and respect your Queenie. Rapper crapper, big up your nice clean self. I hope somebody share this video, make it go viral. You get it clear, Queenie? The video is not for you, sweetheart. I love you. Bless up yourself.
Why would you have it? You know, back to school, everybody want them to look them best, right? So why would you have it as a father? Especially father is supposed to be the leader of the family. And you know, most of us women are single mothers, right? Yeah. And when you're a single mother, you don't really bother the man, you know. If you can't afford it, most ladies that are single parents, they just tough it up on them own and do them things, see? Talk about the ones that don't have it. And you know the woman don't have it and she has struggle. And you have it. And you know, back to school, good God, man. the people come out and look her or his best. And you don't even contribute a cent. You want your people to look the worst at go school? What kind of
Terrible.
father are you? Because I
Terrible.
know the mothers. And I can speak on mothers because I know that the mothers them will have it and can make them people look them best. Them now look on the man when they get the people them. Them now look on them do them own thing.
But me want to know why the man them do it. And you have it and you can contribute, but you choose not to. You think the woman you hurt and the child you hurt.
And the child you hurt.
Because
And I would love to get somebody on the live right now to talk about that. A mother or father, come for the live
yeah.
for reason.
Who are we
A mother
speaking
or a
of?
father. Hello.
Hi, Angie. Hi. Hi,
I remember you. I
And I was
remember you.
saying,
How you doing?
who's the other person? Who's the other person?
Yeah,
Oh, Ray. Okay.
Ray. Yeah, my two kids is grown, 38 and 37. So I'm not in that. But what
I'm
I
not
want
seeing
to
him
call,
right now. I'm
about
not. You are
is
seeing him, Razor
they
B?
have
Sorry.
No, but Ray probably don't want to show himself. I'm seeing a picture,
no.
but
I
he
put
probably
it.
don't want to show himself.
Yeah,
Pebble,
no, you're
think of
not.
yourself. All right, no problem. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah. So my kids are grown. I got grandkids. So I'm calling about this video going around with this young girl in the schoolyard
Oh
performing
God.
oral
That's what
section
we're
and
Oh
talking
this
about
God.
kid
tonight,
got
sir.
and another.
Yeah.
Oh God.
So I want to
Another
know if you
We
all
video
saw
see
it.
it and
pathway
watch it,
now.
No,
because
we
it's going
saw
around.
it. Hold
Oh,
on
you
the
saw
mother.
it?
Hold on the mother. We
Okay.
saw it, and we were going to touch on it as well. Because it is very gruesome. It is very heartfelt, and it's bitterly, it's beyond wrong. It's beyond wrong. And me and Reza B were talking about parenting. It's a good parenting is very important in the homes because there's no way. Because a lot of these things are happening, Children are being exposed in schools a lot. Boys leaking video, girls leaking, and them are do them things where I don't understand why these young girls or these young men think it's okay to go into schools and operate in this kind of manner. We saw the video, and I was saying that it's wrong in every sense of the word. And it all boils down to parenting, to good parenting. It all boils down to good parenting. Talk to me.
You know what? You know what? I
Yeah.
think I don't know if there's a law that put in place to lock up these people who are doing this, because adults are doing it too, You understand? And just the children. And
And
just the
it's child
children, it is pornography.
That's
You understand?
pornography.
And,
Child
and, and really and
pornography.
truly, I saw the video, but I deleted the video right away, and I didn't send it out because I feel that if I actually send this to someone else, it would have been
I
also
couldn't
a
watch it.
responsibility.
I couldn't watch it. Jacqueline, big up
It would have
herself.
been
We
a
couldn't watch it.
responsibility to me,
Yeah.
to me as a parent,
I deleted
to
it
send
too.
out.
Somebody sent me, and it was a grown lady. A lady in her 60s sent the video to me, a friend of mine. As soon as I
But
watched
you
it,
shouldn't watch
I
it, sir.
deleted it.
You
Because I
shouldn't
say,
watch
Yeah,
it.
this is
I
child
couldn't
pornography.
watch
About
it.
you shouldn't watch it.
We
When
couldn't
you
watch
see
it.
what it was about, you should have just clicked that off and delete it. You shouldn't watch it. You sit down and watch it. As a big man, you sit down and watch one little girl like you want next boy oral sex. You sat and watch it. You should not have watched it.
No,
Once
but
you know what the content
so
was
yeah,
about, you
as if
click
no,
and delete.
yeah, but you're talking now as if it's me video. If it's me video, then
You shouldn't
somebody
watch it.
send me the
I'm
video and I look. I didn't
not
know
to
what
watch
it
it.
was about,
It's
and when I
one
click
thing
Don't
on
beat
it,
him. Don't beat him to watch it.
you may not have known what the content of the video was. I understand. But once you click that video and you see what it was about, you're a big man. You should not sat there.
no,
You
I
should not have
deleted. I
watched
never
it.
sent it to
You should have
nobody. I
watched it. You should
deleted
have
it.
clicked it.
Well, I
Yeah,
already
you already watched it. You
watch it.
already
There's nothing
enjoyed
can
it.
be
Yeah.
No,
But
the
what
thing
you
is, say,
enjoy,
don't.
enjoy it. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy. Listen, you don't miss. You don't know nothing about me. So how can you
Alright,
say
if you
I
didn't,
enjoy
because
it?
if you
because
didn't,
if you were a man of any good character, sir, your 60-year-old friend would never send you that because she would have known that you're not a man of them foolishness. Then
no,
nobody can
but at
send
the
me
same
that
time,
kind of video. Nobody
Paula,
can
what's
send
your
me
name
those kind of
again?
videos.
Paula, what's your name again, caller? What's your
Well,
name
she
again?
was disgusted with it. Why?
What's your name again, caller?
Which one?
What's your name again?
Which one? A 12
No,
weeks.
you right
Not
here, the
you.
lady. The lady, what's your name?
Joan.
Joan,
Joan,
right.
Joan. Yeah.
Joan, understand that these things, I mean, I'm not gonna say it has happened to me before in that manner, but I've been exposed before because I am doing my own adult life over one part. I've subscribed to a website and I'm over there and thing. And they went on my platform and I'm an adult. You have to pay to go over there to subscribe, right? And they went on my platform, they maliciously took down my content and they leaked it. Not only did they leak my content, they modified some of my pictures, right? And turned it to some people that wasn't even me. And that scarred me. So for a little girl like that, not even start life yet, she look like about 14. A lot of people don't understand as adults, because them stir up that picture them all over the world. Everybody
No,
laugh
but
and
you're an adult, Angel. You
as I
can't
may say,
compare yourself to
as I
them.
may say, if me was so traumatized by it and she's a little baby, you can't tell people are gonna share it or they want to share because people are very heartless and them don't have no compassion for nobody else. A lot of
Angel, me
people.
not say people now go share it, The point I am making is this. Me not say people now go share the video. What I am saying, as a woman, if nobody can send them something to me because them know some minute in them slackness there. But if somebody did lose their mind, Angel, and send something like that to me, remember, me not gonna know what it is. Once me click